right? So it is given that number of universal set is equal to negative 14 and number of P is equal to 7. Number of P intersection Q is equal to 2. So P intersection Q is equal to 2 there. Then number of P is 7, but including this 2. So 7 minus 2, what do we get for P only? We are going to get 5, right? So we also know that number of P union Q is equal to 11. So 5 plus 2 plus this, we should get 11. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 11 minus 7 it's 4. So we have 4 there. So we now have 11, but universal set is 14. So 14 minus 11, we have 3 outside P and Q. So that's how we show it on a Venn diagram. Then part B. The part A wanted us to show this information on a Venn diagram. Part B, find number of Q. Number of Q is 4 plus 2. So we get 6. Then number of Q union P complement. Q union P complement. What is P complement? All elements that are not in the number of elements that are not in P. So the number of elements that are not in P is 3 plus 4. Then union P complement. So we want Q, this is our Q, union P complement. We combine it with P complement, which is this 3. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. So number of elements in P union Q complement. Sorry, Q union P complement is 9. So that's the answer to that question.